Welcome friends, welcome to High Tech. Today I have to open Philips hair dryer. The hair dryer available in many online shopping stores, Amazon, Flipkart or Snapdeal. I bought this from the Snapdeal, Unbox Zindagi Snapdeal website. It's very lowest price, only 585 rupees, or its original price was very 755 rupees, but I only buy this for 585 rupees, so it's very lowest price in Snapdeal. It's a Philips Easy Care blue color hair dryer, saloon dry compact in gentle drying 1000 watts and two flexible speed ranges, and then easy storage compact because of very smallest, so you have to put on any other places in your house. It's contain 1 year warranty guys, because of Philips is world known brand and healthy for your hair. It's very good. Its original price was 775 rupees, but I only buy this for very 558, so it's very less price in Amazon or any kind of websites, but the original price was 775. It's contain 1 year warranty. All the functions on the back side, 1000 watts and two flexible speed ranges and compact. It's a methodological purpose. It's a unisex product. To our male and female, we can use to dry your hair quickly. It's a manual card in this package, manual card and warranty card, and how to troubleshoot, and manual how to work on. It's a concentrator. It's fixed this on the flex side, because of airflow it's through to one way. It's very tightly you can put on it. Yes, it's have three functions. One is off mode and speedless mode and more speed mode. 1000 watts motor. Okay, the wire length is very large. You can use in high distance. Okay, I connect it to the plug point and I will start the hair dryer. First is off mode and then you put it strictly. It's very smooth and slow at the heat. This is first mode, and second mode is overpower. Oh god, it's very heaty guys. Melt my hand. It's very powerful to dry your hair quickly, because of you nowadays we going to work or anything fast, so the hair dryer will help to dry your hair to avoid some cold diseases. This is saloon dry compact 1000 watts. This company. Have to check the airflow. You just put them in. Yeah, there was very speedy and hotty. It's very warming guys. It's very useful to dry your hair quickly. So that's all about the hair dryer Philips model, Philips HP8100 and bought 6 model. It's very nice and very lowest price in various online shop centers. It's very good for your health of hair. Please subscribe this video and share your friends and buy the hair dryer Philips. Thank you so much.